Why do office carpet cleaners mostly use steam to clean the fibre? The office carpet cleaners in Melbourne employed at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne always use steam to clean fibres. They do since 1. Steam can get rid of stains quickly. 2. Steam helps get rid of odor. 3. Steam can eliminate pests. 4. Steam helps remove mould. So, if you want to hire the best cleaners performing office carpet cleaning in Melbourne, contact us now. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.